pioneers in building materials, largest manufacturers of dry-mix products and AAC Blocks in Telangana. Fully automated workflow with no human touch. Multiple quality checks to maintain consistent quality. 300 plus happy clients. 400 plus completed projects. 800 CBM per day production. Dry mix capacity 300 tons per day. Welcome to the fastest growing building blocks manufacturer in the whole of India. Established in 2014 on the outskirts of Hyderabad, Telangana, ShreeShakthi is fast emerging as the leading and most preferred name when it comes to superior quality AAC blocks, ready-mix plaster, jointing mortar or any other building material. Certified by the Indian Green Building Council, ShreeShakthi is the flag bearer and brainchild of Tirumala Aerated Blocks Private Limited. Promoted and supported by Shri Surendra Kumar Gupta, ShreeShakthi, in a span of 6 years, has gone on to become the most renowned and trusted name in the construction industry.
ShreeShakthi Bricks was started 6 years back with the aim of providing a quality products in the construction industry. The main aim was to speed up the construction and provide the quality of bricks. When we entered into this brick segment, there was no quality of bricks. All the industry was unorganized industry. We were having a previous experience of cement, so it was very easy for us to go for a quality product. When we started, our capacity was 1 lakh cubic meter per annum. Now we are able to do 3 lakh cubic meters per annum.
Spread across a sprawling 13-acre campus, our manufacturing facility has over 100,000 square feet shed space for the storage of raw materials used for production purposes. In a bid to meet growing market demand, we at ShreeShakthi are very well equipped to produce 800 cubic meters of building materials per day and also have the bandwidth to scale it up in case of ad hoc requests or a surge in demand. We also boast of a fully owned and managed fleet of vehicles for supply purposes that enables us to deliver our products to our clients in record time.
ఈ క్వాలిటీ మెయింటైన్ చేసేదానికి మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ కూడా ఎక్కడ దూరభారం అనుకోకుండా రాజస్థాన్ నుంచి క్వాలిటీ లైమ్ స్టోన్ కానీ మిగతా ఐటమ్స్ కూడా దూరము ఏ ప్రయాసాలు ఏమనుకోకుండా దూరం నుంచి తెచ్చి కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈరోజు ఈ క్వాలిటీ విషయంలో ఎక్కడ కాంప్రమైజ్ కాకుండా సౌత్ ఇండియాలోనే నంబర్ 1 ప్రాజెక్టుగా మేము తయారు చేయగలుగుతున్నాం.
Manufactured using completely automated, state-of-the-art German technology, our products are the epitome of superior quality and longevity. We thrive to provide sustainable, lightweight masonry building material with superior standards and international quality for usage in residential and commercial buildings. As South India's leading manufacturers of building materials, we at ShreeShakthi boast of an enviable product portfolio including AAC blocks, jointing mortar, tile adhesive, ready-mix plaster, wall putty, thick bed mortar and granules and textures.
See each and every parameters from raw material testing stage. I see and check all the parameter. It is matching with our what we required according to the quality. It is matching or not. What variation is coming, how to rectify it, how to solve it, how to minimize, how to optimize. All these things I have to look at. Density is one of the very important part of the AAC blocks. लेकिन किसी स्टेज को हम लोग बाईपास नहीं कर सकते हैं. मतलब सबका अपना अपना अलग अलग इम्पोर्टेंस है. उसको एस्केप करके हम लोग नहीं चलते हैं. वो क्या साइकिलिंग पूरा प्रोसेस है, एक चैन सिस्टम यू कैन से.
We at ShreeShakthi are committed to delivering best quality products to our customers. We are agile, adaptable and forever keen to innovate newer building materials to keep pace with ever-changing trends in the construction industry. Some of our flagship projects include at the heart of all our endeavors is our commitment to sustainability. We strive towards sustainable building practices through the usage of eco-friendly and energy-conserving materials.
Fly ash bricks are the most eco-friendly blocks because fly ash is used in this, which is major raw material, and this is a green industry. We are the first company to use it 100% recycle the whatever the damages of the bricks are there. We have installed a very big capacity to regrind it, recrush it and use it. We are the first in the industry in South India to do that.
So, the next time you plan to use superior quality and highly durable building materials for your dream project, please do reach out to us and we at ShreeShakthi would be more than happy to be of your service.